Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? I hope you are all fit and fine. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. So today I will explain you how to make a coffee. I am Imran Hussain as a professional barista. I can make lots of coffee like cappuccino, latte, americano, Turkey, like lots of coffee. So today I will make world of famous coffee cappuccino because cappuccino is the best coffee. We are loving cappuccino. If you drink cappuccino after, you can freshness and too much feeling good. That's why we will love cappuccino. So today, how to make a cappuccino coffee I will explain you. If I make cappuccino, first I have to take a 18 gram espresso bean and milk. And espresso bean two item. We are using Brazilian Robustica. This one famous coffee bean. Okay, sweetness and good. That's why we are using Brazilian Robustica bean. Sometimes customer like two shot, one shot. Okay, 18 gram bean and 36 gram shot. Okay, and you have to take milk. Some customer like full fat and not full fat. Customer ask, no problem. And I recommend for you two shot, because two shot if you put cappuccino 12 ounce glass, good. Okay, 18 gram espresso bean and 36 gram shot. And you have to make milk steam is good, because if you make cappuccino first, you have to take your mind, you will make cappuccino, because cappuccino is from milk and espresso both of equal, not like too much foam, not like too much milk. Okay, both three item both of like you have to take your mind, after you will make. So today how to make I will show you. Okay, so let's go. Thank you. We are using Victoria machine, the blender machine, and I will take 18 gram espresso bean, already blender finish. Then make espresso. Espresso should be 36 gram, and I will make steam, milk steam. Now I am taking milk 300 ml espresso, and I will make steam. This is the espresso bean, already espresso finish 36 gram, and now I am making steam. Be careful, because cappuccino is steam. You should foam is good, because sometimes foam is like bubble. This is the not good. That's why we are making carefully. And now I will make art cappuccino. Slowly have to put milk, and now I will put little milk, and then again, and then again. This is the procedure. If you make art, you can follow this procedure. Okay, and thank you so much. You watch this video, and please share and subscribe.